This is the new 10K button from YouTube, and let's unbox it. Okay, so YouTube didn't actually send me this, I made it.
Ah, I knew it!
Hey there, it's been a minute. Actually, it's been 4 years. 4 years of filming vlogs and doing zero edit. Not sure if you can see the screen from there, but this is the collections of files and folders I've been collecting for the past 4 years. 8 terabytes of footage. And it's not because I was lazy. I always put the clients first in front of all my personal projects. Or at least this is what I say to myself. To be honest, maybe that's my excuse to procrastinate. So the reason I've been gathering all of those files for the past years is because I like shooting the videos, I like editing the videos, but I told myself I'm gonna do the editing later.
Maybe someday.
The files kept piling and piling up. And I get to a point where I need now to separate all those files because there is different cameras, there is drone footage, there is mobile footage, 360 footage. And I need to separate all of those which are in one folder and see which one can make for a good video, which of them can make for a better story, and the longer I kept filming, the worse it have been getting because there's more files now.
This is fine.
And my idea was to go back and do that first video that I shot 4 years ago and then take them like in a proper timeline. Now I realize that this doesn't make any sense. When you're a creative, it's easy to wait for the right moment, but that time rarely comes, and the longer you wait, the heavier it feels. The trick is to just start. Even if it's messy, even if it's something that you don't want to do. I told myself today that I'm gonna start organizing the files for just 20 minutes. And that's it. 3 hours later, and I'm still working on it. So I'm editing this exact video to get it as fast as possible out to you, but in between I was thinking that as creatives, we tend to wait a lot. We love to get ready. We watch the tutorials, learn, organize things, upgrade our gear, but if we'll be honest for a moment, I think that probably we are scared. Scared that maybe what we create is not good enough. Scared that maybe our skills are not to the level that we hoped so. But clarity doesn't come before action. It comes because of it. We don't get better just by watching people drawing or studying anatomy for 3 years. We get better by actually starting drawing terrible things until we get better and better at it as we proceed. We all want this map of what we need to do before we even start our journey, and we tend to wait in the starting line for it. But this map most of the times appears only when we start walking. Okay, so I was supposed to make this when I hit the 1000 subscribers. And the reason being is that I do believe that those first 1000 are very important. And I'm saying this because those people, those first 1000 did believe in you when you were like small in quotes. It's easier to follow someone that has 1 million followers, for example, because they have already a big audience. So big thank you to everyone that is subscribed to the channel. If you are not, feel free to do so, but big thanks to the first 1000. You mean a lot to me. And my theory was correct because it took me 5 years to hit 1K. And at that moment I decided I need to make this button, and then took another 2 months to get to 10K. And now we are at 25. I think as a creative you should celebrate your small wins, even if no one else does. Even if YouTube doesn't send a 1K or 10K button, you should make one.
I'll do it myself.
So to celebrate this, I'll be recording a podcast, but instead of me being the host, I'll be the guest, and I want you to be the host.
Wait, what?
So you'll be the one asking the questions to me. So if you do want to ask me any kind of question, feel free to do so in the comments below. They can be personal, they can be around design, YouTube, clients, business, running, exercising, gear, whatever you want to ask, feel free to do so. And the best one will make it to the podcast show. So yeah, go down there and write your questions. If you have been stuck like me and you haven't been working on that project that you're supposed to work, or that idea that you want to start but you don't, I think this is your sign. This is your sign to start right now, start today. And I'm not done with this. I'm not even close to start editing the videos, but at least I did start the process. I started. And I'm not sure when the next episode will come out or what period will be from, but if you don't want to miss it and you don't want to miss the podcast, just subscribe. It's super easy, just hit the button down below. I'm gonna leave you with this. It's okay to fall behind. Progress is progress, even if it's slow or messy. And you should always celebrate your small wins. See you next time.
Know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. My name came up a lot of sounds.